Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to try to fix this old stopwatch I found. I think these were part of the McDonald's Happy Meal toys from back in the 90s. If you look at the front, you can see a picture of Michael Jordan and the McDonald's logo. And in the back, you can see it says 1991, so this thing is a little over 30 years old, I'd say. Whenever I wind the stopwatch, it doesn't seem to do anything. There's a stop and start rocker on the left side, but that doesn't do anything either. There are two wheels at the bottom to keep score, but I don't think they're connected to the actual stopwatch mechanism in any way. I'm not sure if this uses batteries or not, but let's take it apart and find out. Alright, so now that it's open, we can confirm that the two wheels at the bottom are not connected to the stopwatch. We can also see that there's a small box with a winding mechanism inside. I went ahead and opened the little box and noticed a bunch of different gears. Upon further inspection, I noticed there was some kind of coil inside. I realized that the way this works is that when you turn the dial on the back, it winds up the coil, and when you let go of the coil, it unwinds on its own. So no batteries needed. So what exactly is going on here? Why wasn't the coil unwinding itself? I noticed that the end of the coil had a hook that wasn't grabbing onto anything, and that's why there was no tension. I carefully opened the box and hooked the end of the coil to the little plastic piece that's supposed to hold it in place. Now with this in place, I was able to feel the tension when winding. I started putting everything back together and was really happy to see it work, except that for some reason, the stop button wasn't working. I opened it up again and noticed that the stop rocker wasn't making contact with any of the gears. My guess is that upon opening the gearbox, I must have stretched some of the plastic, which gave the gears a little bit more wiggle room to continue functioning even after the rocker made contact with the gears. I noticed that I could fix this by simply adding a little piece at the end of the rocker so that it applied more force. I added a dab of glue and put everything back together. Sure enough, it seemed to do the trick and everything was back in working condition. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Thanks.